Thank you for that very informative weather report, John. You're really getting good at that. Okay, whatever. Anyway, in today's top stories, All Pro Quality Garage Doors is finally going to raffle off that top of the line Genie belt drive opener. We'll work on another one for the next 20 likes, but don't forget, like us on Facebook, and good luck to the winner. Remember the rules. I'm going to draw a name out of the hat. Hat boy, where you at? There you go, Bubba. Hat tickets ready to go. Good luck. All right, move along. You handsome devil, you. Anyway, remember the rules? One name, got to be local, got to pick it up. No shipping. You got 2 weeks to get it, and then we draw another name. So let's see what we got here. There's the hat. There's the names. Yeah, shake it up a bit. A little advertising for the guy giving away the opener here. Live. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, blank. Here we go. Try it again. One only. We've got. Joy, Miss Trey Songs Cooley. I can't wait to see that ID. I think she has a thing for Trey. Anyway, Joy, you got yourself a brand new Genie garage door opener from All Pro Quality Garage Doors. I do believe it's the 21st. Let's call it the 22nd because I got to edit this video, and by tomorrow I'll have it up and running. Anyway, I'll also try to get a hold of you on Facebook. 2 weeks to pick it up. Thanks for liking us on Facebook. And remember, the spin starts here because at All Pro Quality Garage Doors, we're looking out for you. Thanks for tuning in. Next month, we'll throw up another one. We'll keep it going. You guys seem to like that. Let's do it.